Hey beautiful soul, Danielle, Karen 999 here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm coming straight to you from the park. This is my second home. This is my sanctuary. There's just something about being surrounded by the trees and the sunlight and the sky that brings you back to your truth. This world is noisy, and sometimes the only way to hear your spirit is to get quiet in nature. Nature has always been a natural healer. Studies show that spending just 20 minutes in nature can lower your blood pressure. It can reduce anxiety, and it boosts your mood. I don't know about you, but when I come outside in nature, I just feel better. But beyond the science, let's talk spiritually. So nature is where we return to our essence. The trees, they don't rush. The river doesn't worry. The flowers, they don't compare themselves to each other. Nature reminds us that everything unfolds in divine timing. And when you sit in stillness outside, you begin to remember that you're not separate from this planet. You are nature. You are not some machine meant to work nonstop. You're a living, breathing soul who needs rest, sun, and air. So I invite you today to go outside, even if it's just for a walk. Sit under a tree or barefoot in your backyard. Reconnect with the earth, because she holds medicine that no pill can provide. So, my beautiful soul, if this message spoke to your soul today, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and drop me a comment. And let me know your favorite place in nature, your favorite place to recharge. All right? So until next time, breathe deeply. Stay grounded and keep shining. Have a wonderfully blessed day.